These are double mini roundabouts, very common in the UK. The key idea is treat them as two separate roundabouts that are very close together, but signal and position early so other drivers can read your intentions. General rules first, then I'll walk through each of your three cases. General rules apply to all three. Give way to traffic from the right at each mini roundabout. Drive over the painted center only if needed. They're mountable. Signal clearly and early, especially important here. Think of the road between them as a short connecting link, not an exit. 1. Car going to exit one of the second roundabout. This is effectively a left turn at the second roundabout. How to drive it. Approach the first mini roundabout in the left lane / left position. Signal left. Go straight over or around the first mini roundabout. Keep your left signal on as you travel the short link. At the second mini roundabout, take the first exit, left. Think of it as straight over the first, left at the second. 2. Car going to exit 2 of the second roundabout. This is straight ahead through the second roundabout. How to drive it. Approach the first mini roundabout without signaling, or signal right briefly if traffic conditions demand positioning. Go straight across the first mini roundabout. Stay central on the connecting road. At the second mini roundabout, go straight ahead, exit 2. Signal left after passing exit 1 of the second roundabout, as you would on a normal roundabout. Think of it as straight over both. 3. Car going to exit 2 of the first roundabout. This means you are turning right at the first roundabout. How to drive it. Approach the first mini roundabout in a right of center position. Signal right. Give way to traffic from the right. Turn right around the first mini roundabout and take exit 2. Cancel your signal once you've exited. You do not enter the second roundabout at all. Think of it as right turn at the first, done. One mental trick that really helps. Imagine the dashed line between them is a wall unless you intend to use the second roundabout. That keeps your signaling and positioning clean and predictable.